हाँ भाई भाइयों, ये 20,000 येन का टिकट जो क्या इस चीज़ का टिकट है, ये अभी मैं अपनी गाड़ी में बैठा हुआ हूँ और यहाँ से निकलूँगा। ये पीछे भी मेरे इस पानी के जहाज़ में ना, इस शिप में बैठ के हाकोताते होक्काइदो जाऊँगा। हाकोताते होक्काइदो 3 घंटे 40 मिनट की फेरी है तकरीबन, और वहाँ पे पहुँचने के बाद फिर इंशाल्लाह वहाँ से आपको दूसरी अपडेट देंगे। पूरी वीडियो को देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल अलीस जापान को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, यूट्यूब पे देखिए। और अराउंड द जापान मैं पूरे जापान का चक्कर लगा रहा हूँ। पहला बंदा हूँ एक्चुअली जो कर रहा है ये कारनामा, तो इस कारनामे को सपोर्ट कीजिए और मेरे चैनल यूट्यूब पे अलीस जापान को सब्सक्राइब करके वीडियो देखिए। बड़ी खूबसूरत वीडियो नज़र आएंगी आपको, बहुत प्यारी प्यारी वीडियो नज़र आएंगी और बहुत ही अच्छी जगह नज़र आएंगी आपको। रियल जापान नज़र आएगा भाई। फ़िलहाल चलते हैं होक्काइदो। This is the frontier. お願いします。はい、お願いします。今日の鍵になります。お買い物の案内所の方に鍵の方にお返しください。はい、どの辺ですかね。お部屋ですね。上の階の右側の通路にお部屋ございます。Now we are going to in Ferry. This is my room number. これがスイートルームですけど、フェリーのここが私の番号。その番号に部屋に入れば、looks like hotel room. このホテルと綺麗なあれで、ここマイスペース。Wow. This is the suite room. They have 2 beds. Air conditioning are here. Okay. I need to make a little bit cold here. Cabinets are here. You can keep your luggage here. You have a sleeping dress. They have and then if you go this side, then they have a hot tea and everything for you. So guys, let's go out. は一番上のところです。トップデックのところで来ました。青森川と北海道。You can see here the deck 5, the map. Vending machine, kids room, comfort stand. Reserved area. This is private seats that you can sit here, keep your shoes and sleeping. These are the private space. Non-reserved space. Non-reserved space, you can come and then sit if you want here. Left side, and then these are the toilet. Toilets are also very clean here. Female toilet. In non-reserved area. Can sit and eat here. The seat we took here, these were view seats. These are the light food. You have a cup noodles, you have some fries, Doria. You can buy here. And this is kids room, playroom. Here is kitchen area. You can make hot. These are the rooms with a pet baby. And this is a smoking zone for a smoker. So you are a diver or cyclist?
Cyclist.
Cyclist going to travel in Okinawa? Sorry, Hokkaido.
No, yeah, not Okinawa. Yeah.
Hokkaido.
No. So from Hakodate to Tomokamai,
Okay.
and then back to Hachinohe. So short trip.
Okay. So where are you based here in Japan?
Aomori.
Aomori.
Yeah, close to
okay.
Hachinohe.
I'm traveling like all over the Japan along the seaside for 15,000 kilometers. So this is my 6th day. I came from Osaka.
Okay, but you're on a motorcycle?
No, I'm on a car.
Oh, a car. Okay.
So, but it's always like along the seaside, so it's very beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm going to travel all over the Hokkaido, almost 2,200 kilometers in 7 days.
Nice.
So this is the first kind of video in this. So,
Okay. So where's home? Where are you from?
Originally from Pakistan.
Okay.
And you, sir?
America.
Which state?
Now California.
I study in New York. Professionally, I'm software engineer,
Oh, okay.
but I'm working in Osaka now.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I haven't been to Osaka in like 30 years.
Wow, it's a lovely place.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Next on the list to go.
Yeah, but Aomori, I like the Aomori. It's really very beautiful.
Yeah, but very country, very not
Yeah, very country. Like last night, I was just staying in Hotel Tapi. In the corner of the place, they had a Shinkansen.
Tapizaki.
The Tapi,
Yeah,
the top of the.
Actually, that's where Ron Stark is today. Yesterday and today.
The sunset was very beautiful.
Yeah.
The sun goes down in within 5 minutes, and then the what do you call the radish stuff? They were remaining for more than 2 hours.
Yeah.
So it was really a surprise for me.
Yeah. And then once up here, because you're away from the cities, at nighttime there's no light pollution, so the stars.
Yeah, stars. But yesterday was cloudy, so I was really disappointed.
Yeah.
So enjoy your trip, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.